Your Android is keeping a record of exactly which apps access your gallery, contacts, and personal information today, including the ones that read the verification code your bank just sent you. You didn't open them. You never knowingly allowed them. Some even came pre-installed. Let me show you exactly what to do for your security and privacy. Let's get started. First of all, go to Settings. Scroll down. And tap Security and Privacy. Scroll down. And under Privacy, you will see permissions used in last 24 hours. Here you can see permissions used by different apps. You can also see which app access your data, camera, or gallery here. On top right corner, click on 3 dots. Here, tap on Show System Apps. Here you can see shocking thing last 24 hours. It means in last 24 hours, these hidden apps access to a lot of things like your GQuery, camera, microphone, or even contact list. So open any app. Here you will see details of permissions used by these apps and their timing. Now tap on 3 dots on top right corner. Here, select Manage Permissions for this app. Here you will see the list of allowed access. So select them one by one and tap on Don't allow to remove permissions to operate them. Repeat this process for all the permissions. Then select Other apps and repeat the same process for all, and remove all the unnecessary permissions for these applications. Take your time and work through the list, one app at a time, until every app with no legitimate reason to access your messages is locked out. That's it. If you found this video helpful, do like and subscribe for more privacy tips.